Now more than ever, we rely on our phones, whether it's for entertainment or calling someone halfway across the world. We think of it as easily accessible, except it's not. Not for everyone. Hospital patients, the older generation in nursing homes, these people struggle to use their devices to reach out to loved ones and those they care about. That's where Entertainment Buddy steps in. Our sponsor reached out to us to develop a brand new phone holder, one that's intuitive, completely robotic, and can be safely used in places like nursing homes and hospitals. We started by looking at commercially available phone holders that are used in cars or just at home, and compared those to the objective that our sponsor laid out for us. And so we got to it. We started making CAD models of exactly what we wanted for our first prototype. It involved a rotating motor and a jack screw system to raise and lower the arm that the phone would be attached. Using a microprocessor and a Metro board attached to a motor, we started to see very big signs of improvement very quickly. We had full faith in the jack screw system, and we were very confident in our design. And our confidence in the design paid off. By the end of our first prototype, we were able to lift the full weight of a phone and phone holder at the end of our arm. But it wasn't all perfect. The material was quite simply not robust enough, with it being fully made out of wood, with a very big glaring issue to do with the safety. The jack screw system involved a very big rod sticking out from above, and that caused a lot of concerns in the safety department, whether that's in a nursing home or in a hospital. And so we had to make some pretty big changes for prototype 2. We fully got rid of the jack screw system and instead replaced it with a moving arm around a rotating motor. We developed the entirety of the second prototype out of 3D printed plastic and metal. We added a little box at the base of our model to encase the wiring and all the components. At the end of it, we used this super intuitive phone holder that uses an IR sensor to clamp down on the phone and a simple push of a button to release the phone. And while this design was definitely safer and it felt like we were moving in the right direction, there were still some major issues in the functionality of the device. And so we realized prototype 3 is basically make or break. We redesigned the model with adjusted sizing. We reconfigured the box at the base with 2 brand new buttons that can be used if the remote is lost, made our very own custom remote control, and replaced our very complicated wiring system with a brand new PCB. Added in an accelerometer to tell us the real positioning of the arm, wrote a whole new code from the ground up and ensured that our IR system works, added in some really cool responsive LED buttons, recreated the entire design, and finally put it to the test. And after many ups and many downs, our prototype was done. And finally, this happened. Yep. Sick. And finally, we had our very own fully functional robotic phone holder with its very own power supply and custom remote. We hope this device can help out many people all over the world.